Well, hiya, folks. Welcome back to another episode of the Bobby Wonder Show. I'm Grabstack, your host, and let's be honest, the star of the show. I do the podcast introductions after all. I know, Bobby Wonder's name is in the title, but he's still sleeping even after we got back his alarm clock. Plus, I'm putting in the work. I'm such a good sidekick, in fact, I'm so good as a sidekick that I will now wake up my best friend with a bullhorn to help him start his day. Ready? Okay, here I go. Bobby Wonder, it's time to wake up!
I'm up. Grabstack, why are you waking me up with a bullhorn?
We spent all of last week's episode hunting down and getting back your alarm clock only for you to sleep through it again.
It went off? I didn't hear it. I must be extra tired.
Bobby Wonder, you sound sick. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I think it's just some dust. I have to get up today. It's beach day.
You're right. It is our planned beach day, but I don't know. You don't sound so good.
I don't sound sick. I'm fine.
You can't even say fine properly.
Grabstack, today is beach day. I can't miss it. Now, come on. Let's get our beach on.
Beautiful weather. Sunny, light breeze. It is the perfect time for a beach day.
Hold on,
Whoa! Bobby! You almost just blew me away with your sneeze!
It was just dust. I'm fine.
I think we have to call off beach day.
I'm not sick.
That's totally something a sick person would say. Also, that sneeze just uprooted a tree. Bobby Wonder, you're a danger to the town.
I'm not a danger, Grabstack. Enough of this. I'm going to the beach.
Bobby, no! Come back! Oh, no! This ain't good. Bobby is sick and doesn't realize how much of a danger he is to everyone else with his super sneeze. I have to find him and stop him. OMG. I actually am the main character of the show today. I can be the hero. Okay, so, what does the hero do? Oh, I've got it. I'll go tell Lucy Wow. She'll probably have some invention to help and...
Grabstack!
I'm here too! Lucy, wow, kapow! I am such a good hero, I didn't even have to go find you, 'cause you found me.
Right. I came as fast as I could. I heard a loud blast of wind all the way in my big red barn, and then a loud crack.
Look, Luce, this tree has been uprooted.
Who could have done this? Was it Mighty Mila and Robozuki?
No, Hey, where's Bobby Wonder? It was Bobby.
What?
Bobby Wonder did this? He didn't mean to. You see, Bobby's sick. He uprooted that tree with a sneeze. A super sneeze.
That's one powerful sneeze.
This isn't good. Where is Bobby now?
Today was supposed to be our day at the beach, so he flew off to Pflugerville Beach.
Okay, Grabstack, you head to the beach with Kapow and see if you can bring Bobby back home. I'm gonna go back to my big red barn to see if I can whip up some superhero medicine to cure our friend. I think I know what I need to do.
Well, how are we gonna get Bobby to come home?
You're a chatty creature.
That I am.
Find a way to convince him. Good luck.
All right, Kapow, it's time for me, Grabstack, to save the day through my gift of gab. I was born for this moment.
You were?
Well, no, not literally. But maybe.
Hop atop my back. I'll run us to the beach. Shall I play some music out of my butt as we travel to the beach?
Absolutely. Something summery and fun.
Kapow! You are a lot faster than I remember. Most people don't realize how fast pygmy goats really are. Also, Lucy Wow designed me to run this quickly.
Okay, well, don't run too fast. I can barely hold
Whoops! I forgot to tell you that I brake really suddenly. But Look, we made it to the beach.
Yes, I can see we made it to the beach. I even already made it into the ocean because when you stopped, I flew into the water. Water's warm, by the way.
I don't swim. It'll rust my parts.
Okay. Now, where is Bobby?
Well, well, well. Look who it is. Gourdstock and that creepy little pony who follows Lucy Wow around.
I'm actually a pygmy goat, not a little pony, but that's a common mistake.
Mighty Mila. Surprised you're out at the beach. I thought the sun melted people like you.
You're so funny, Gooboo Stooboo.
Gooboo Stooboo. Your bad nicknames are getting even worse.
Where's your annoying blue-haired bestie? He let you go out without him? I know, Robozuki. I am funny. What was that?
I think we found Bobby Wonder. There, just down the beach.
Bobby Wonder caused that?
Bobby Wonder, here you are.
Grabstack, I think I'm sick.
I told you that.
Ugh, you sound terrible. Even worse than usual.
I don't have time for this, Mighty Mila. I don't feel well. I better get home.
Wow, my gift of gab was so powerful that I didn't even have to say much to convince Bobby Wonder to come home.
Uh-oh, another sneeze is coming. Everybody, watch out.
Hold it in, Bobby.
I can't,
Oh! We're all still here. Whew. His sneeze didn't blow us away.
Bobby sneezed towards the ocean this time.
What's that noise?
Oh, it's the ocean. Bobby's sneeze has caused the waters to form a tidal wave, and it's coming this way. Bobby Wonder's super sneeze just caused a tidal wave and it's headed right for us. Everyone run! Now's the perfect time for a commercial break. A tidal wave caused by Bobby Wonder's super sneezes heading towards us. Must run away.
I'm sorry, everyone. I thought if I sneezed toward the ocean, I wouldn't blow anyone away.
Instead, you caused a tidal wave heading straight for town. Way to go. You're becoming quite the menacing supervillain. Maybe we should team up.
I'm not a supervillain, Mighty Mila.
Oh yeah? Well, would a supervillain send a tidal wave into town? That's what I thought.
Enough out of you, Mighty Mila. Bobby Wonder, you'll have to fly out there and blow the tidal wave back down.
I'm too sick to blast off. I can't even fly. What are we gonna do?
The wave! It's getting closer!
Fine. I'll save the day.
Mighty Mila and Robozuki are flying out to meet the tidal wave.
This wave is coming in super fast. I know just how to stop it. Robozuki, wall yourself.
Robozuki turned into a massive wall. The wave is coming right for him.
It's working. Robozuki wall blocked the tidal wave from destroying the town.
Being the hero is super boring.
Thank you, Mighty Mila and Robozuki, for doing that and stopping the wave. I'm so sorry for causing it to happen.
It's okay, Bobby. You're sick.
Blobby's causing tidal waves and me and Robozuki are stopping them? What is today? Opposite day?
More like a sick day. I think I have another sneeze might be coming.
We have to get him home now.
I don't think Bobby can fit atop my back. How are we gonna get him back if he can't fly?
There must be a way. Maybe Mighty Mila can.
Really? Fine. I'll save the day again. Wow, I really am the nicest supervillain around.
You don't have to. This sneeze might go,
Hold your breath, Bobby. Hold your breath. Mighty Mila, let's get him home.
Where does he live again? It's not the town landfill, is it?
Isn't your HQ in a sewer drain?
Fair enough. Okay, come on. I'll get him home before he destroys the town. That's my job after all.
Bobby lives over there, past Main Street and down off of Bark Street, around the corner from the banana stand.
It must be that atrocious blue house. You seriously gotta pick a new color.
But I like blue. It's my hair color.
Purple is so much better, though.
I like purple, too.
Of course you do, Kapoof.
Hey, there's Banana Stand Lady down by her stand. I'll have to stop by and pick up some fried bananas for us. Maybe those will help you with your cold.
I could eat a sneeze is coming.
Hold it, Bobby.
Wow!
Sorry, everyone.
That sneeze sent me flying backwards. I almost hit my head on the banana stand. You caused Robozuki to scratch his big red eye. Oh, my poor Robozuki. Oh, I'm done being the hero. We've helped enough. Get the rest of the way home on your own, blubby blunder. And, also, get well soon. Come on, Robozuki, let's get away from the Sneeze Meister.
Bobby, your latest sneeze sent Banana Stand Lady and all of her bananas flying in every direction.
I didn't mean to.
I know, but now I have a personal responsibility as a lover of bananas to find and pick up every last one. I'll help you out. Thanks, Kapow. Why don't you crank open that bud and play some tunes? It's banana gathering time.
Grabstack, I'm impressed. I've never seen you move so fast.
Bananas are on the line, Bobby. I need to save them. There. Every last banana accounted for. Ooh-wee.
Well done, Grabstack and Kapow.
Bobby, Grabstack, Kapow! I'm back! Everyone okay?
We escaped the tidal wave and just picked up 199 bananas. So yes, we're okay.
Bobby, I made this superhero medicine for you. If you drink it, it will help cure you of your sickness.
Thank you, Lucy. I really need it.
I even flavored it so it tasted like blueberries.
Okay, here I go. I might sniff.
Everyone run! He's gonna sneeze again!
Bobby, no! Drink it!
I feel better. The sneeze is gone.
Phew! Wow, Lucy, that is some effective superhero medicine. Can I get a vial?
Sorry, Grabstack. It only works on real superheroes, not sidekicks.
Guess I'm back to being the sidekick of this story.
No, Grabstack, you were the hero today. You all were. You kept the town safe and you helped cure my sickness. Thank you. Thank you. And next time I get sick, I definitely won't try to go to the beach.
But now that you're all better, shall we?
We shall. Beach day, beach day.
Yes, I know. I saved the day. I helped get Bobby back home so he could be cured. I even helped Banana Lady pick up the 197 bananas that Bobby sneezed all over town. Shh. Don't tell her about the two I ate. She'll understand. I'm her #1 fan. Anywho, let this be a lesson for us all. If you're sick, stay home and get some rest. Otherwise, you might cause a tidal wave that heads straight towards your town center. If you enjoyed today's episode, you can find others just like it by searching Go Kid Go wherever you get your podcasts. Now, excusez-moi, Bobby and I are going to go enjoy our beach day. This time with no tidal waves. Bye for now.
Go Kid Go!